Hey garden friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Keisha with Country Garden Oasis. So today I'm really excited. I'm going to flip my raised beds into a bouquet of tulip heaven for the spring. I have 16 raised beds in my backyard. As you can see here, if you follow me on Instagram, you see this is my pride and joy. I'm going to be planting tulips in each bed. Key things of note for success that has worked for me. What are you going to need? Bulb tone. If you don't have bulb tone and you have biotone, that works too, because I've used that. And your tulips. So all 1,600 tulips that I'm planting in here are from Color Blends. It's the Pinkster, and this is a blend of yellow, pink, and white. And I'm really excited about this. This year I chose to do early to mid. These grow about 16 to 18 inches high. So this is going to be a beautiful show. It says plant 4 to 5 inches deep, which I've dug a trench in each, and I'll show you how I'm doing the trenches in a few. The keys to success, if you follow the label, you can't go wrong. I've been doing it for a while and it worked. Last year I bought discounted bulbs from Lowe's and they did really well. This year I'm going all out. This is not really a hard and fast rule because I've seen flower farmers do this and they don't follow this rule, but I'm going to show it to you because if you are a new gardener and you want success, I would do it. So a tulip has two sides. The bottom, this is where the roots, the flat side, the roots come out, and the pointy side. This is where your blooms, your stems are gonna come out. So when you're planting these, one thing of note is to plant the flat side down. I've seen flower farmers, they throw them in the trenches and they still come up. I'm not quite there yet. I don't know if I'm brave enough to do that. So I'm gonna follow the rules and I'll show you how I do it. I still have my bags from cleaning up the garden. So I've cleaned out all the beds. So this is a view, a full view. And what I did was I dug that trench, a little section in the front, heaped up the soil over there. I think this is a better view. I'm gonna put my biotone, put my bulbs down, rinse and repeat, pull the soil over to cover this side. Do the same thing on that side because I don't want to take the soil out of the bed. Cover them, and when I'm done with all of them, I'm gonna water everything in. I think it's gonna be spectacular. So I have my evergreens in the back for some of you who follow me and remember I went to Costco and I bought these in 2022 and they were like, they're gonna die. Ooh, they didn't die. They look gorgeous. I am gonna have to move this one. I'm not so happy about that. I think I'm gonna make it uneven because I have 7 on each side. Because we are putting up the fence, this is going to be our storage area, and that post and that tree is center where it needs to come over. So let's get started. So that's 50 on this side, I'll put 50 on that side. I'm going to do the same over here. One thing of note, if your outer skin like this falls off, it's okay. Still plant your tulip, it'll be fine. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so excited. This spring is going to be beautiful. We'll have lots of tulips. I can't wait to share it all with you. I lost the footage of me actually on the video, so I'm doing a voiceover for the audio. Please remember to like and subscribe so you can get more content. I am so excited. I have stuff to show you throughout the winter, which I've never been able to do because of one thing that we changed on our property. Have a great day.